This recipe is Mochiko Marlin. We've been having a lot of Marlin coming up recently, and if you want a new recipe to make for the boat or for potlucks, then this might be just for you. Alright, so before the video starts, I just want to announce that I will be doing a giveaway at 900 subscribers, so if you want to join, then I'll leave the information needed to enter. And if you're new to the channel, I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, so 900 be next, and then after 900 we'll have 1,000 and so forth. So thank you all for the support, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to be splitting the fillet in half, long ways. I'm going to remove the bloodline and use those two fillets. Alright, so the next thing you want to do, you want to cut them up into a 1-inch piece. I aimed for 1 inch to half an inch. Depending on how thin you want it, but I just stuck with 1 inch. And I removed those scales on the side of the fish, but I didn't record them. So you want to make sure you want to remove all scales before you start cutting your fish. Since I'm using tail pieces, I flipped them around, cut the lining part first, so I don't have to fight it on the cutting board. By all means, you can use your grandmother's recipe for the Mochiko marinade, but I decided to just use the bachan seasoning from Costco. I'm lazy and I had to make it for dinner, so didn't have time to prep. So the amount of sauce all varies on how you want it, but a good rule of thumb that you should do is just enough so when you mix it all together, the sauce is just lightly covering the fish, and that should be good. So the key is when you're marinating and mixing up all of the ingredients together, you want to make sure you scrape the sides and scrape the bottoms, because the dry ingredients like the mochiko flour and the cornstarch will stick to the bottom. So you don't want them to cake up on the bottom. You want everything to be nice and friendly with each other. Alright, so we took it out of the fridge and we're ready to fry. So you want to use a neutral oil. I'm just using canola oil. You want to make it so you're not deep frying the thing. You just want to put enough oil so you can fry it. Alright, so when it comes to the cooking aspect of it, you want to just play with the temperature. You just want to make sure that it's not burning. So if it's burning, that means your heat is too high. You just want to have a nice crispy bottom. If it's too soggy and it's soaking in a lot of oil, that means your heat is too low. So just play with the heat and find a nice medium point that makes your fish come out crispy but not too oily.
here is good.
Here,
What is this?
Mochiko Marlin.
It tastes like Mochiko chicken.
That's good.
It's not fishy at all.
Good.
Good job.
Bye, Nodi.